Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you guys have an Alfa Romeo 159 with a 1.8 gasoline engine, guys, or you have the Fiat Croma with a 1.8 engine, this engine is actually developed by Opel and General Motors, and it's used on many vehicles, guys. That same engine, as you know, it's known as the EcoTech engine. 1.8 liter engine, guys. So if you guys have problems with your oil pump, you're trying to locate or replace the oil pump, today will be the explanation video. We'll have the whole video from start to finish on one of our main channels. Make sure you stay until the end, we'll mention where. And you can see, guys, how the whole thing will be done. It's a very long and detailed video. Today's video will explain what needs to be done, guys. So let me tell you now quick. This is, guys, the oil pump right here. That's what it looks like. This oil pump, okay, you can see on this side, it's actually the water pump. Okay, right there, this is the water pump right here. This is the oil pump on the back side. This is the crankshaft seal oil pan. So you will need to first, guys, remove the exhaust on your car, drop it completely. Then you have to remove the oil pan. You will need to remove the exhaust manifold on the front, guys. Why? Because that exhaust manifold, guys, will be removed so we can reach the water pump coolant pipe right here. And as I said, this same engine is used on Alfa Romeo and Fiat Croma as well, guys. After that, you need to remove timing belt, you need to remove the crankshaft pulley, you need to remove your alternator, your AC compressor, all that, so we can get to the oil pump, which is located right there. Every time you guys replace it, make sure, guys, you put new gasket here as well. Why? Because this gasket, this is coolant, this is oil. If the oil rings they fail, you can lose oil pressure. If the coolant ring gasket fails, what will happen, guys, you can leak coolant in the oil pan and you can mix antifreeze and oil. So you have to be extremely cautious, guys, and do it right. So you can see how much we took things apart, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to some of you guys. If you have any specific questions, okay, don't hesitate to drop a comment below, guys. We'll have quite a few videos. The whole video, guys, from start to finish is on our main channel. It's called Auto Repair, guys. Please check it out. Also, you can see how many engines we have. We're working here on things all the time. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Quite a few videos to come, and see you guys next time.